Snell 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Good news! Miss Universe Philippines Iloilo City Alexi May Brooks is leading the race in the online voting for Miss Bingo Plus at Miss Universe Philippines 2024 competition. Congratulations! Once again, congratulations to Miss Iloilo City, Alexi May Brooks. And of course, thank you so much for all the support of all the pageant lovers out there na talaga namang patuloy na sumusuporta at patuloy na bumoboto kay Alexi Brooks. Patuloy po tayong magbayanihan para sa lahat ng ating paboritong kandidata na nais manalo sa Miss Universe Philippines competition. And of course, patuloy din kayong mantabay sa channel na ito at huwag kalimutan na pindutin ang subscribe button dahil marami pa po tayong mga updates na ibibigay hanggang sa Coronation Night. This is Snell 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Salamat at mabuhay ka!